not done one in a while. That was my first video.
So Isla, yeah, that was your first video, a Gelli Baff toy challenge on Tiana's channel, long time ago.
And guys, if you didn't watch my last Shopkins opening video, I mentioned that I got my first song coming out very soon on Friday. Really good. Yeah.
So Isla, you've listened to Tiana's song. What do you think?
It's really cool. Yes, it's called Snowflakes.
Yes, and it's out on Friday, guys. If you want to pre-order Tiana's song Snowflakes, there's links in the description to iTunes and Amazon.
Super cool.
So yeah, you can go check that out if you want to pre-order Tiana's song.
Yeah.
And there's a video made on Tiana's song as well, which will be on Tiana's channel very soon. So it's very exciting. Tiana's been really busy just lately with the song and the video.
We went to London to actually record the song as well.
Yeah, so it's been really cool.
Fun.
And by the way, guys, if you want to purchase Tiana's book, it's in all the stores. Tesco, WH Smith's, Asda, Waterstones. Yes, and you can order it on Amazon as well if you're interested in buying Tiana's book. And Tiana, tell your American fans.
Oh, the book's going to be in America very soon. Yay!
So you guys in America, if you're interested in buying Tiana's book, she'll be launching it in America soon.
Yeah!
So it's really exciting times and Tiana's super happy.
Yes. And thank you everybody. Because if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't have the book, or I wouldn't have the song, or I wouldn't have really been to go to the Metropolis or any fun events like that.
Yeah, awesome.
All the toys.
Yeah, thanks again from Daddy.
Yes. and you guys, yes, because it's the first person to find 5.
Oh, we're back on the Shopkins again, guys. And the last challenge, it was 8, but this time it's the first person to find 5 Shopkins and prizes.
Kinder Joys, Tum Tums, or Zum Zums.
Animal Jam.
Animal Jam. So they're the winning prizes for the first person to find 5, and the first person who finds what's Shopkins on? Is that olive oil?
Yeah, season 6 will get.
Olive oil just dropped into the jelly.
We'll get this Minecraft.
So this is a new Minecraft witch. So the first person to find olive oil
will get it.
We'll get that. So that's bonus prizes again, guys.
Yes, I think it'll be a bit harder for Mum because like olive oil's green and her Gelli Baff's green.
I don't mind as long as I get a Kinder Joy.
That's what Mum's after, a Kinder Joy. And
Yummy.
I'm not going to tell you guys everything about the punishment for the losers. Why do I say punishment? Well, the loser, if you lose, obviously we're going to be giving out some of these Warheads, which Mum tasted before the video because she's got a bit of bloat on her tongue. But I just love getting these out. Because guys, I just know these are seriously hot. And I just know Mum really likes these, really, you know, these Warheads.
Not.
That is. But I've got another trick up my sleeve if you lose. So make sure you're good, make sure you're fast, and make sure you're smart.
Yeah, I'm already smart at maths.
Yeah? Well, we're talking about smart tactics in these containers. That's what we're talking about. Okay. Alright, so let's get the... Just let me show you the Kinder Joy.
Kinder Joy.
Right. Okay. Okay, guys. So, we're going to use one hand in this challenge to find the Shopkins. Alright? Because Mum's in there. It's a bit like squeezy, squeezy tight. Lemon squeezes. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, obviously. That feels really strange. My wife has torn a Tiana. Alright. That's strange. Alright then. Alright then, listen guys, so it's the first person to find 5.
Yeah.
So you ready?
Yeah.
One hand. Don't forget to find olive oil because that's your bonus prize of Minecraft. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh! I have one.
Oh, that looks different.
Shopkin!
Isla!
This is, I don't know. And then a scan shop. Look, mine's gone orange. Look.
Isla.
Here's my Shopkin cane sugar.
From 2! 3, 2, 1,
go!
Shopkin!
And it is sweet corn. Hey!
Did you know that one?
Did you know that one?
Yeah.
Mum got it right.
Here's my sweet corn.
Round 3. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, one hand.
One hand, yes, one hand.
Next one, piece.
That jelly's just turned so great. Tiana!
Woo!
Tiana.
Here's my shotgun water can. Wow. It's shocking.
What is that, Tiana, in there?
It's a jelly. Let me feel it.
Oh.
It's not a shotgun. It is not a shotgun.
That is
It
gross.
might be a shotgun.
There's no shotgun in there, look. Ah. Right, scores. 1. 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ah.
Oh, tree, not shotgun.
Tiana. Olive oil, Minecraft. Which prize for Tiana?
Here you go. All right, no, you need to do closer.
Okay, yeah. So you hold that.
Olive oil. Yes. Round 5. I'm going to do a splat. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, covered me.
Shotgun.
Tiana. Ugh.
Yeah.
What shotgun have you got?
I forgot its name, but it's a season 6 again. Here's my shotgun, but I don't know its name.
Let me know in the comments if you do.
Yeah.
Okay, the scores. Tiana, 3. Mommy, 1. Isla, 1.
I need 2 more to win.
Round 6.
Oh, 6, sorry. 3, 2, 1, go!
This is hard.
Come on, Mommy.
Shotgun!
Tiana again.
I need 1 more to win! Here's my shotgun, Melissa Milk. We need 1 more to win! 3, 2, 1, go!
Woo.
Shotgun!
Whoa. Yes, Mo.
Only 1 counts though.
Yes, Mum's got the shotgun. Mark the scores.
Here's my shopkin.
But we don't know with that one because it's season 6 and I'm just getting used to season 6 still.
But you can help out in the comments if you know the name, of course.
Yeah.
How'd you done to?
Yeah. Oh yeah, Tiana, Dab. Dab, Isla.
Let's go that way.
Okay, right.
What is it?
Score update. Tiana 4.
1.
2. Isla 1.
Yeah.
Come on, Ida.
3,
2.
1, go!
Come on, Mum. Catch them all, Mum.
Shotgun!
Isla!
And this is something salt. Sea salt. Yeah.
Sea salt.
Yeah. You've got. Here's sea salt.
My shotgun. Okay. All right, then, girls. 3, 2, 1. Go. Oh, you just lost a load of jelly back on the floor from my. Isla! Isla's digging. Isla!
Here's my mess.
Here's your mess. Where's your shotgun?
Here, and it's a carrot. I don't know what it is called. And I found some of that hard bit again. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh!
Shopkin!
Yay! Mommy's got
That's
3.
Yeah, well done, Mum.
Here's my shopkin.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Score update.
Score update. Okay, Tiana. Tiana 4. Mum 3. Isla 3. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Oh! Oh, Isla! A big blob of jelly. That looks difficult.
Trina.
It is. Shopkin!
Oh!
Yay! Here's my shopkin.
Woo.
Here's your mess.
Yeah, I'm slipping by the way. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, pressure's on. Pressure is on. Pressure is on. Tiana, digging. Isla, digging. Mom, digging.
I felt one.
You felt one, so come on, pull it out, Isla. You'll be leveling with Tiana, I think.
I can't feel it.
Come on.
Wow.
Intense. Oh!
Yeah!
Tiana!
You got both prizes.
So Tiana's been successful in this jelly bath challenge.
Oh no! Yeah!
Jelly bath challenge. Jelly bath.
prizes actually.
Lucky you.
I don't normally.
Wow. Monster jelly.
Guys, look.
Wow. Sign that one.
Shocking. Yay, I win. No, wait, I need another. Just keep that there. Come on.
Oh. Gracie. Alright then, Tiana, it's time for Mummy and Isla to face the punishment. And Mum, we've got sour warhead dippers, your favourite. And she's got the lollipop already to dip into, and it's flavour sweet berry. There you go, Tiana, that's from where?
I'll hold that.
And Isla. Oh no, Isla, you've got brain blasters. Oh, brain burners, sorry, brain burners.
It's the worst out of the other.
Listen, these are just horrible. So Tiana, would you let me open the brain
How
burner?
many does she have in
Brain
her
burner.
mouth? She has it for 10 seconds, but how many does she get in her mouth?
She's gonna have one brain burner for 10 seconds. Oh! Sorry guys. Right. So Isla,
I'm just gonna open the water.
Here's your brain burner.
Because I don't want it to burn. Oh, never mind.
you got it? So, Isla, that's fine. That's fine, you've got the brain burner.
It's got jelly.
Mum's just pushed it in.
No, I'm not eating it. Get another one.
Okay, right. We've got another brain burner. Where's the brain burner? Where's the brain burner? Right, brain burner number 2 coming up. Isla, here we go.
Don't drop it in the jelly bucket.
Hashtag 2. You've got it? Mum, she's got the lollipop. Tiana got the sour war dippers. Dip. Make sure Mum Tiana is putting plenty on. No.
You need more than that.
You be quiet.
Yeah.
I think that might be enough.
Yeah, okay. Now, Tiana.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah. What's that like, Mum?
Oh, anyway, look.
You what?
Wait a minute first.
What's up? Is that a bunny's, Isla? Yes, guys, this is the punishment number 2.
Yeah.
Jelly Baff target practice. And Mummy's up first.
Yeah.
Tiana, on the right hand side, you know what? I'm going to help you out with the blue container on the left hand side.
Oh, no.
So, Mum, put your goggles down. Safety first. Isla, you're next, by the way.
Them rainbows are too sour. She's
they
still
always-
like.
well, there you go.
She can still taste.
Isla normally can handle like sour sweets, but that one done at her. She was terrible.
Bless her.
Oh no, bless her. Right, Tiana, Mummy, ready? Punishment. 3, 2, 1, attack! What are you doing? No! Attack!
Put your face
She's
up.
meant to die cheating! There you go. Ah! Alright, Tiana!
Got a blue tongue.
Oh.
Blue tongue matches the blue jelly.
So how did that feel, Mum?
Not good.
Good
Do you know what? I feel like jelly.
Yeah, you look like jelly. Isla. Okay, Tiana. 3, 2, 1, attack! Okay.
This is the gathering of the people. So now it's opening time. Look. Oh God. Okay, so now I'm going to open my prizes, but I's going to tell me. Oh yeah. So would you like to start? Okay. Now I'm going to start with the Disney topic.
So Isla, what was that like, the jelly bath, when you got target practice?
Well, I got Cinderella. She's really cute. It was scary.
Scary.
It's just jelly. Another challenge.
What about the challenge? Did you have fun?
Yeah. Did you have fun? Yeah.
I'll tell you something, I had fun watching. No jelly on me.
Actually, you did get one.
Just little bits when you're doing the splats in the container.
Oh, that's cute. I opened it. I got Donald Duck. Donald Duck. That you get.
So the Minecraft, this new one.
I'll let you open that first. That's
Okay.
that's one of the amendments. I can't do it. It only makes a weird noise. Yeah.
Okay. So that's that. There's a piece there.
Accessory? Oh, it's a chef hat. Okay. Oh, I've had this before, but in different colour. Look how cute, Nyla. I'll let you build it, but it is mine now. I'm letting Nyla build it. With the chef hat. Yeah, it's a piggy with the chef hat, by the way. Nyla, I'm gonna let you keep that animal jam. Thank you.
And we've got this there, Tiana, as well. What's to do with the Minecraft?
Oh yes, I've got the character, and then this is what you put in. So that's you can't put it in his hand. And where's the Kinder Joy? Where's the Kinder Joy?
There's the one there.
Where's the Kinder Joy toy?
There.
Is that it? Oh, sorry. And then what this does? Oh, I know. I'm gonna taste some Kinder Joy food. This is hard. Guys, what's your favourite Kinder egg? And it counts as Kinder Joy as well. I think it's definitely Kinder Joy. Build this. How do you build it?
It's already built, Tyler, isn't it? Let me have a look for you.
Oh, yeah.
You just got to add it, yeah.
You just have to slide it. Yeah, I've got it.
So-
it has to go a particular way though.
I'll do this one while you're
And it's hard.
eating the food. So, Isla, do you want to take some Kinder food as well? Oh, I gave you the wrong one. That's the food. And the spoon.
There. So then it can go like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I've got one of those as well. That's in that colour.
I think this one is a different one. Okay, gonna do that one, Isla?
Oh, this isn't a different one because this is just one way to stick a face on. Oh. It
Oh,
doesn't do anything. Yeah, this is just a character. It don't do anything. It could be a key ring. Yeah. And there's the string, look.
okay.
Put it on.
So, is that all the prizes?
Yeah, but
Okay.
there's still Kinder Joy.
Yummy?
Why don't I do that? I wiped it on the top.
You've got jelly on your spoon.
I'm gonna be full. Here's my Minecraft prize, and there's a poster in there as well.
Peekaboo.
And then here are my Disney Zum Zums or Tum Tums.
Okay, Kinder Joy coming up next.
Yes, Kinder Joy toys. And we're eating Kinder Joy food. And you can roll it.
Animal jam.
Yeah, which is Iris. Hi there. It was lots of fun doing that challenge, wasn't it? Yes, and what do you call this character, Isla? A honker. Because all they do is go, honk. Yeah, and they're very funny. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Love you all. See you soon. Bye. Honk, honk, honk.